How to make money on social media in 2022. Social media is one of the most lucrative ways of making money on the internet. And while loads of creators generate a good income from social media, that doesn't mean it's necessarily easy. You have to take numerous steps to increase your odds of making money. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like our page, as every week we bring you new ideas on how to make money. What are the most lucrative social media platforms? Here's an overview of the most lucrative social networks. 1. Facebook. Facebook is still the top revenue-grossing platform on the market and shows no sign of slowing down. This is because Facebook has become the place for businesses and advertisers to promote their products and services and is, to date, one of the best ways to connect with audiences. 2. Instagram. Instagram revolves around posts, which are user-submitted images, often with captions and hashtags relating to the photo. You can also post videos and stream a live feed for their followers, which has become a great way for businesses to hold sessions with potential clients and even launch new products. Businesses also use the Instagram shop as one of the best ways to market a brand on the platform. The Instagram shop is a digital storefront, where companies can post pictures of their products and advertise directly to shoppers who might be interested in their products. 3. TikTok. TikTok, of course, is a short video sharing platform for content creators and influencers. The second most popular feature on TikTok is TikTok Live, where users can live stream themselves to their followers, similar to Instagram. This is often used for content, but many creators also perform music, cook, educate, and other types of content. Many of the top creators on TikTok use the Creator Fund, which is a revenue-based incentive for users. 4. Twitch. Twitch is a live streaming platform that is predominantly used by video game streamers. There are other categories, such as just chatting, sports, and music, but gaming is the largest group on the site. Many Twitch streamers make money through donations given by their viewers. Streamers may also include a variety of incentives for viewers to donate. It's becoming more popular with businesses outside of the game culture as it attracts the younger audience. 5. YouTube. Many people who upload videos to YouTube are content creators who leverage the website's algorithm to find and entertain specific audiences. Many who make a living off of YouTube do so through sponsorships and selling their brand. The YouTube Partner Program is a built-in monetization mechanism for qualifying creators to generate revenue through views and ads. So how do you make money on social media? While those platform-specific methods might work for some people, they aren't always the best option. There are more effective ways of profiting on social media, and here are some of the proven best ones. 1. Paid memberships. A great way for creators to make money off of their content is by charging a premium for access to their content via membership portals. These fees are typically paid monthly or annually and give the user's followers a reason to become a member. Some social media platforms have built-in membership systems, but if you're marketing your content off-site, there are various plugins and services for creating these systems. 2. Affiliate marketing. You don't necessarily have to be an affiliate marketer to make money off of affiliate marketing. If you've got a large audience behind you, many companies will pay you based on how much traffic you can generate. There are also a few programs you can partake in, such as Amazon Associates. Creators, bloggers, and publishers can monetize their content by embedding hyperlinks to related products and making money on a per-click or per-buy basis. 3. Brand sponsorships and brand deals. If you're big enough, some brands will pay for access to your following. In this mutual exchange, you'll endorse a brand's product or service, giving them a favorable image, to which they'll pay you for your efforts. Some companies will have you embed an ad within your content, while others will use your persona to attract a particular group of people. 4. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is similar to brand sponsorship. Whereas influencer marketing relies on subtle product placements and mentions, brand sponsorships are more direct. It's similar to when you see a brand name soda like Coke or Pepsi on a billboard in a big screen movie. The movie doesn't entirely revolve around these products, but people subconsciously take notice of these elements, thus increasing brand awareness. 5. Sponsored content. Sponsored content is content you create funded and sponsored by an external company. Within your content, you will often be prompted to mention the brand's name and give a short blurb describing what products or services they are selling. The two most common types of sponsored content are sponsored videos or sponsored podcasts. In both cases, you'll mention that your show is sponsored by the respective brand and give a quick rundown of the company. 6. Sell your own stuff. If there are a lot of people following you on the internet, chances are you have a likable personality, and they'll be willing to listen to what you have to say or, in this instance, buy what you are selling. Furthermore, if you have a large following, your digital reach is vast, and you can easily connect with a lot of people at once. That's great for marketing any product or service you might want to sell, such as your own course, products, merchandise, or your services and time. 7. Cross-platform audience building. The size of your following equates to your money-making potential. You can create more capital by cross-platform audience building to expand your following. If you have a large amount of followers on one social media platform, you can use this account to market your other socials, ultimately diversifying your audience. It's not just about having a large audience on one platform, it's about leveraging each following to create far-reaching viewership. You should carefully consider everything and use these insights to give you an advantage. That's it for today. We hope you got something out of this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below.